Hey, how's it going? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. This is gonna be a quick one. I'm shooting on the iPhone SE first generation, 4K 30 frames per second. This is the sound from the iPhone. So this is gonna be a quick unboxing of something that I have here, something that I ordered. So let's see what I have for you today. .4K 30 frames per second. This is gonna be smooth. Okay, what I have here for you? Anything else in the box? Nothing. This is something like a stand. How this is okay? So you have a. From here you can adjust the height. So let's say, what do you think? Think is nice? Interesting. But you know what? This is plastic and you can adjust perfect way. So I don't know, what do you think? Let me pull on one of my videos and let's see now how the sound will work.
Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. This is the iPhone SE first generation. Should you buy this iPhone in 2021? This is the video for today. Let's start now.
Okay, not bad, not bad. So, I mean,
iPhone SE first gen.
This thing costs £2.80, and I believe this is it. The seller says this is never been used, but it's been opened, so not bad. So yeah, this is just quick video for this plastic thing, so you can put a tablet. Let me get a tablet. Do I have a tablet? I should have a tablet. Okay, I got a tablet. So this is a 10-inch tablet. So this is good for tablet. Let's see.
These are the top results.
Google, stop.
Which this is very good. Nice.
I mean, not bad. Let me know what do you think. So you can put 10-inch tablet this way, or this way. Not bad, not bad. So this, like I said, this was £2.80 from eBay, and it's plastic, but it's good. So yeah, thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your bell notifications for cool videos. See you soon.